What's up everyone, Reggie from ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well, and thanks for tuning into the channel. In today's video, you guys are joining me inside of my 2019 Subaru Ascent. And today we're going to be upgrading something in the car that is definitely needed. And if you guys have a Subaru Ascent, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It's nothing regarding performance, it's nothing regarding anything electronic or anything like that. It's something super simple. And here is the part. It comes in this box, and the part is part number J13SXC100, and this is the Ascent cup holder insert. Now, you're going to be asking me a question, why is this even going to be a video? Why are you even showing this? If you own a Subaru Ascent, then you know exactly why I am doing this video and why this part is so necessary. So let me show you guys how the cup holder is currently in between the driver and passenger seat. So currently this is the cup holder, and it's extremely huge. I mean, for all intents and purposes, I have a Starbucks cup here with just some water in it, and while driving, these things tend to move around a ton. I mean, let's go ahead and grab a water bottle. This is a regular Poland Spring water bottle, and look at this. It's just bouncing around, and just imagine how that is while driving. Especially with open top cups like this, it tends to sometimes spill, and that just creates a huge mess. Now, let's go ahead and get this old insert out. We'll put these cups on the cup and the bottle on the floor. To remove this insert, all you need to do is just pull this little tab right here at the bottom, and the whole thing just comes right out. And then you'll see a whole bunch of little slots and circles and things in there. And here is the new cup holder. So this is how the cup holder insert looks for the Subaru Ascent. Now, you can see here that it has this clear base, the ring there. That's if you have the model of the Subaru Ascent that has the lighted panel inside the cup holders. It's just so that that lighting will still show through, and that's a nice feature that they did include in this. I do wish that mine had the lighting feature, but it doesn't, unfortunately. But nonetheless, this is the cup holder insert, and it just goes in the same way. Just make sure that you're putting the deeper end in on the deeper side, and then it has these little clip tabs right here on the four corners, and that'll just clip right into place. So all you need to do is put it in and snap it down. And once it's snapped down, it ain't moving anywhere. And if you want to take this out, all you got to do is give it a nice little pull like that, and it will unclip from inside of the cup holder assembly. So we're just going to put this back in, and now I will show you guys why this thing is so useful. So let's grab that bottle of water that we had before. We're just going to put it in there. You can see that it will shake around a bit, but it's not going to shake around too much. And then let's grab the Starbucks cup, and we put that in there, and look at that. That shaking has gone down tremendously. And the reason is because it has these three little circular pieces right here that are, you know, a soft rubber that is protruding from the actual frame, and I hope you guys are getting to see that. And all it does is it kind of adjusts depending on the size of cup you have. So if you have a bigger cup, it's just going to slide right in place, and it's going to hold steady right in its spot. Now, this is such a simple little thing, and it makes a world of difference while having a cup or a bottle of water in your cup holders, because they're not flying all over the place or making a whole bunch of noise or spilling while you're driving. So you guys, that's about it for this little unboxing and review of this really simple part that makes the world of difference in the Ascent. Now, if you guys want to check out this part, I will be leaving a link to it down in that description box below, so definitely go ahead and check it out. It's not all that expensive, and it's on sale right now, so it's a pretty affordable price. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down in that comment section below, and I'll be quick to answer them. And if you guys enjoyed this video and liked what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button down below, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you guys are notified whenever I upload any new videos. If you guys enjoy this type of content and you want to see more content just like it, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. And with all that being said, everyone, I hope you all stay well, stay safe, and stay healthy. I'll see you all next time.